The company is committed to high-tech research and development and application of large-scale adhesive enterprise. We are guided by market demand, continuous innovation to provide customers with high-quality adhesive products and services. We have a first-class research and development team and advanced experimental equipment, committed to the latest scientific and technological achievements into productive forces to provide more efficient and environmentally friendly green products. Customer service. The company conducts comprehensive testing of raw materials and products, including physical properties, chemical properties, thermal properties, service performance, environmental impact, specific test, and quality control testing. The new company covers an area of more than 30,000 square meters, equipped with a fully equipped research and development building, production workshop, raw material warehouse, finished product warehouse, storage tank farm, and sewage treatment areas and other functional facilities. From R&D to testing to the production landing form a perfect closed loop. The company is equipped with industry-leading intelligent, fully automated production process and features advanced reactor. It can meet the customized needs of customers. Currently in Vietnam, Bangladesh, Cambodia, India, there are branches in Indonesia and other countries. Domestic East China, South China, Southwest, North, have offices. Sales network covering the world, can serve customers quickly and easily, grasp the market context. The company and product have won many honors, including ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14000 Environmental System certification, Guangdong High-Tech Enterprise and Product certification, and a number of national invention patents. In addition, the company has been running for many years since 2019. Obtained Gold Supplier certificate issued by Alibaba International Station, and the major brand certification of social responsibility audit. It has been the focus of attention and guidance of city and county leaders. These honors are not only a recognition of our past efforts, it is also a spur to our future development. The company has 4 independent brands resultant tonic: Heley Adhesive, Hitler Adhesive, Fifen Adhesive, Feixiang Adhesive, widely used in footwear, luggage, leather goods, lighting, bicycles, automobiles, electronics, packaging, furniture, and other fields, to maintain long-term relation with many well-known shoe companies at home and abroad, such as GUANGZHOU Group, Great Power Group, Tongjie Shoes, Weiwa Shoes, Xinjing Shoes, and so on. The company works hard, forge ahead with innovation, with excellent quality and professional service. Acquire Deckers, Crocs, Clarks, Skechers, Adidas, Columbia, Deichmann, shoes for crews, etc. Trust and praise from many brands. In product development and company development, explore green production. Take environmental protection as the guide. Actively implement recycling. Build a sustainable future together. Company waterborne polyurethane. The proportion of water-based acrylic products is increasing every year. The downstream enterprise to actively promote the need to promote low-carbon development, cultivate awareness of green and low-carbon development, combine energy conservation and environmental protection with enterprise management, extensively mobilize all employees to participate. We will deepen the development of tool-oriented enterprises, promote a new pattern of modernization in which man and nature develop in harmony. Meanwhile, we also actively practice social responsibility by helping and caring for vulnerable, give back to community, transmit positive energy. Looking to the future, Guangdong Heley Chemical Technology Co., LTD, we will continue to uphold the concept of quality-oriented innovation wins, climb the scientific and technological heights, committed to being respected. The world's first-class shoe adhesive solution provider and service provider. More than 20 years of wind and rain tempered. It is the constant persistence and faith. More than 20 years of forge ahead. It is collective effort to write a new chapter. Unity of knowledge and action to create the future.